If you're a man in your 30s, 40s, or 50s and you feel stuck, burned out, or just tired of going through the motions, you're not broken. You're just burned out. So, let's fix that. I'm Chris Boe, resilient wellness coach, father, husband, and a man that struggled with addiction, went through burnout, and hit rock bottom. But I came back out on the other side stronger. I created this channel to help men like you rebuild their energy, mindset, and purpose without hype, without shortcuts, and no BS. Every week you'll get real talk, inspirational shorts, practical tools, and honest encouragement to help you break out of survival mode, build discipline, focus, and identity, improve mental, physical, and emotional wellness, become the man who you are supposed to be, or better yet, created to be. This is for men who are done surviving and are ready to rise. If you're ready to reset your mindset, reclaim your fire, and start your comeback, you're in the right place. Subscribe now, and let's rebuild from the inside out.